You know, it's crazy. This bathroom is like blue. I'm in a Safeway bathroom. It's basically like a grocery store. Anyways, we're going camping today. Let's go. It used to be sweats and I got them into shorts. So if you're clicking onto one of my videos for the first time, I'm Random Sparkle. We are on our way to Lake Easton right now. We are going on a camping trip. It is Sunday, August 17th, or no, 14th. It's August 14th on a Sunday. We are going to be camping with like his Frisbee friends and his brother and Fayla's cousins. And Nixie and Mug. We are in Fayla's grandpa's van. He let us borrow it so we could put all our camping stuff in here.
I am gonna win.
It's like 85 degrees. It's pretty warm. The traffic right now is not the business. It's taking us too long to get there. It's really supposed to only be like an hour and a half drive, but it's almost taken us 2 hours because of all of the traffic. But I'm excited. I was able to stop at the dollar store and get the stuff that I wanted for camping. So I am happy. Hey, calm down, girl. She won't stop whining. We're here. We're just trying to find our campsite now. Wherever it may be. Nixie, stop whining. Okay, so we're officially here. I'm about to do a time lapse and this whole thing. This is my Nixie. This is like our little spot. So it's pretty cute. My table's a mess right now. I really need to organize everything. Mom. What? Nixie, quit whining. I'm about to do a time lapse of myself building this tent. I've done it once before, but I had the instructions. My husband forgot the instructions. So it might be a little bit more difficult for me this time, but I'm gonna do it. Oh my goodness, I am literally melting like an ice cream cone, dude. I'm so hot. I wanted to challenge myself and build the tent by myself, but holy crap, it is so hot. So I basically got the basic frame together already. I just have to do like the pressurized ones, if that makes sense, because when you put pressure it like lifts up and actually turns into a tent. So like I'm done with the easy part. Basically I just have to do it. I have to finish. I'm almost done. My husband's going around saying hi to everybody like he always does. My dogs are just chilling. I'm trying to get Nixie to just stay calm and chill. So she's like in her little bed. Mug is just on guard as always. Oh my goodness, I'm just so hot. Candy, of course. So we finally got the tent set up. We got a little bit of help from one of his friends that are here. So I'm actually really happy because I was overheating, and it's just so hard to do by yourself. It took me like 3 times as long when I did it by myself a couple months ago. The last place that we went camping was super moist. It was like right by the ocean, so our tent was like wet when we packed it and we didn't realize. There's like little spots all over it, so now I've kind of went over it and scrubbed it. with the Clorox bleach wipe. So that's what I'm doing now, is I'm gonna do the inside of it too before I like actually put our mattress or anything in there, because I really want it to be sanitary and clean. He's got his little stereo set up. Nixie's overexcited. She won't stop whining. She's driving me nuts. So I just got done eating. I basically just made myself a hot dog. I have ketchup all over my nose. But yeah, so the table is still a mess. I basically scrubbed out the whole inside and the outside of the tent. So I'm super happy I got that done. But I still need to blow up the mattress, which is like the biggest thing. I think my husband might have done it really fast, so I'm gonna go check that and then blow up the mini little, like, it's actually like a pool floaty, but I brought it for Fayla's like twin little blow up mattress. And then I'm gonna clean off the table real quick so that I can wake up with like an organized situation. Nixie takes so long to eat her food. She's driving me nuts, so SpaghettiOs, but we're working on it. We forgot our like waterproof cover for the tent. We're trying to put the cover on this. It's not the right thing, like it's not the waterproof one. I think it's like a windbreaker or something. It's supposed to go over top of the waterproof, so hopefully we don't get soaking wet in the morning. Good morning, y'all. So we are at the Lake Easton campground. We are about to head down to the lake. We got here last night. Everybody else from our group kind of already went down to the lake, so I'm trying to hurry. Oh yeah, rocks are cute. Yeah, colorful. Someone left there, got a little thing there. We need to take that to the ranger's office. This is our little camp area. Mug is sleeping, he's tired.
Getting bit in the face by damn spiders. So we're going left.
I love the color of this hat. It was on sale for like $7 too. It's cute. Let me, as the glasses, these are Betsy Johnson glasses. They're selling Betsy Johnson at like Fred Meyer's now and Ross. I got a whole big huge suitcase that's Betsy Johnson. It's really cute. I think I got it from Marshalls, so Marshalls or Ross, I can't remember. It's more like a little mini video.
Oh,
That doesn't even hurt. Yeah.
Swim!
You dip him for a second so you can pull up. Yeah. Good boy. You're okay. So we're just now leaving the whole lake situation. I kind of tanned for a second, but I basically just kind of like chilled. He played frisbee for a little while, and then we like both got in the floaty. I threw Nixie in the water. He put my, I didn't throw her, but I gently put her in. Got this for $5 from Rite Aid. I flip and love it. It's so cute. I think I'm gonna jump off the bridge, you guys. It's a little scary, but I'm excited. I have to carry this. This is our like boat / floaty. Hey, stop drinking my drink, bro. Go for it. You can do it, Riley. It'll be so much easier than you think. You'll be happy that you did it. You'll feel so good.
gotta go fast.
Go for it. He's waiting for you.
I'm going to let go.
You said you were going to go right after.
Together.
Do it. He's got you. He's got you. He's going to catch you.
Good job! Gonna do it? Maybe. Do it.
Go, 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 go!
Go, babe. Go, babe. Go, babe. Good job, babe. Good job. Like here?
Everybody.
Oh, what, babe?
Did you get that?
Why is it so close?
I'll go with someone who's here. I mean, man, that's just...
But growling wise, that dog is mean to the other dog. And
Wait,
so,
Nix. We just got back to our little camp area a little bit ago. Honestly, the lake is probably like a 5-minute drive. It's really close. I was going to go to the store, but it's like a 45-minute drive and I was not in the mood. So we're making shrimp right now. I got the shrimp done. And then I'm about to make some mashed potatoes real quick. I'm cleaning the pan. I forgot my wine opener, so it's a struggle of life right now. The internet said you could use keys, so we're attempting to use keys. It's just stupid. I don't know if the freaking key was too big and not notchy enough, so it like didn't hang onto the cork when he screwed it in or what, but the key hack is not the best. Definitely not the best. He's doing it. He almost did it. I have faith in you, babe. You got this, babe. It's like flipped sideways. That's crazy. You could like pull it out with your hands now. Yes! Bam, baby! Hi, y'all. Good morning. Or more like good afternoon. It's like noontime right now. I really wanted to drive to the store, but I cannot find the keys, which is really bad. My eyes like still a little swollen from wearing lashes 2 days ago. I really just want to go back to eyelash extensions. Nix is chilling. I like tried to go through the tent and find the keys, but I'm not successful. So I think I might give up until my husband's done playing basketball and then make him find them for me because I'm getting frustrated. I wanted to go to the store and get some sandwiches stuff, but if I can't find the keys, I can't go. And it sucks. I have court tomorrow. I just tried to call and see if I could like cancel it or something, but I'm just gonna have to leave kind of early and go straight to my court tomorrow. So I'm gonna go make like some soft tacos. Maybe I'll do a time lapse. 6 hours later.
Oh. Ooh, very good. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
All right, y'all. I just got to this store. It's literally called the Hitching Post. It's Hicktown Country, little tiny store. Last store I went to literally had nothing that I wanted, so I had to drive to Safeway, which is like a 20-minute drive. But I'm here. I'm wearing my husband's wife beater because I'm scared they'll kick me out of this Safeway over here if I'm not wearing a shirt. So
head west toward Douglas Monroe Boulevard.
I'm scared my phone's gonna die before I get back, and I have no GPS if my phone dies, so I'm gonna have to guess how to get back to the campsite. So that's fun. My phone literally died when I was talking to someone from the group. Like, I called my husband's phone, and then one of the girls answered and was like, hey, he's playing a game. And I was like, okay. I was really just wondering if Emily, one of the girls here, still wanted cough syrup for her son. And then my phone died. I didn't have my GPS to get it back here, but luckily I remembered the way. I'm uncomfortable right now. I don't know. I just feel, I'm just uncomfortable. I like this hat though. I gotta just go. Everybody's been there for hours. How you doing, Noodle Doodle? Ooh, cute Nixie.
You're gonna float away. Bye bye. I'm a little scared. I'm really wide, man. Oh, yeah. This is back to the side.
Get me too.
It's so graceful.
Woo! Good job!
Videotaping. Climb that thing, yeah?
Should I go?
Yeah?
Yeah, I jumped out that way a little bit.
Oh, she's fine.
Just a little bit, yeah.
She's fine.
For there.
She's good.
Right there.
Hit it.
I'll go.
Hey, you guys go together. All four of you. All four of you. All right, there's Cammy. Yeah, here we go.